Lisandro Martinez has praised the mentality at Manchester United, but he's warned the team must improve again next season. The signing of Martinez for £46.8 million, rising to £55.3 million, from Ajax last summer was intensely scrutinised in the media, with many pundits predicting the centre-back wouldn't be tall enough to succeed in the Premier League. Martinez stands at a diminutive 5 feet 9 inches and he's the smallest centre-back in the league, but he's made a mockery of those predictions this season by becoming one of the first names on the team sheet at Old Trafford. The 25-year-old has been one of the league's best defenders, and he also lifted the World Cup with Argentina in December. Martinez, reflecting on his first season with United's in-house media, has admitted it's been a dream to play for the club, and although he praised the mentality within the dressing room, he warned there's still more progress to be made. "I'm really happy to be here, it's a big dream of mine," Martinez said. "Never say die, is my mentality. I try to show in every ball, in every game, that is what I like. That is my game as well, to give everything that I have. I think it's very important for me to be calm with the ball, especially when the opposition, press us and put high pressure on. You have to be calm, and make the right decision, so it's very important when we have the ball, to keep playing, to not be nervous. I try to do my best, give a lot of energy to the team and have a good attitude as well, with passion. We have a really good mentality here and we've changed many things. We're in a good way, but we still have to improve a lot. With the coach, he likes to play good football as well, which is very important. As I've said in many interviews, football is life and you have to fight for that. You cannot give in easily." On the pitch, Martinez fractured his metatarsal in April but he'll be available again in preseason.